Dear students, very good evening. Greetings of the day. So I hope every student is very good after finishing your PU examination. You are so much relaxed, I think. So some students have computer science exam tomorrow. I think you are writing the computer science examination tomorrow. So after that, what is your plan, dear students? Some of the PCMB students already they completed their examination. They are relaxed. Don't be relaxed. This is the very important time. You can focus more on your studies this time only. This 35 days, dear students, whatever NEET or CET you are preparing crash course, it is more and more and more and more it is useful for you, because 12 years of your study is depending on your NEET and CET rank. So I saw many students who got very less marks, so 1 or 2 marks variation, they are losing their rank. So they literally cried. Their parents are very worried about those times, and the time students are thinking that, oh, if I read at least one lesson very good, then I will get 5 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks. So dear student, this year I don't want any student to feel like that after the CET and NEET results. So I request everybody, you can take the classes, take the crash course very seriously. One day present, one day absent. Don't do like that, because this is the very important time for you people to concentrate and objective, particularly physics, chemistry, maths and biology, who are aiming for your dream engineering. It's not easy, dear students. If you are sitting in home silent, and if you are studying, it is not at all possible. The shortcuts, the important lesson, each and every lesson, when you are attending the classes, what will happen, at least in 1 hour, if you study 20 questions or 15 questions, out of that one question will come easy shortcut way. They will explain how to solve the question. Very very important time, dear students. Crash course, don't miss it. Why I am coming these many times live means, I saw literally many students last year, if they lose the marks, how they felt. And this time, dear students, you can apply the Comet K, very important exam. Up to April 20 you have option to apply Comet K. CET last date is April 3rd, and NEET last date is April 4th. So before that only you can apply. Thank you very much, everybody. Don't forget to join the crash course. It is very very important for you. For more details about the crash course, please contact me directly. I will guide you. Dear students, don't forget, it's your life. Nobody will help you. If you are sitting idle in home, if you are thinking that I can study alone in home, I can self study, that is not required, dear students. You can attend the class. That is also very very important. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching PK Master.